Welcome to our tutorial on installing our Commercial Manifold Kit, or CMK, for Noritz tankless water heaters. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or installing a new system, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your installation is seamless and efficient. Tankless water heaters are becoming the go-to solution for businesses looking to save on energy and space. With the Noritz Commercial Manifold Kit and NCC 199 CDV, you can easily scale the capacity of your water heating setup. The CMK system is designed to securely hold multiple tankless water heaters, allowing for a compact, flexible installation in either a 2, 3, or 4-unit configuration. Ideal for commercial applications such as restaurants, hotels, multifamily, and many more. This setup ensures you have hot water on demand when and where you need it. Let's start by looking at what's inside the box. Your rack system should include the following main components. Cardboard mounting template, 3/4 of an inch condensate manifold, 2-inch cold water manifold, 2-inch gas manifold, 2-inch hot water manifold, manifold mounting bracket, and installation manual. Please see the full list of included parts on page 4 of the installation manual. Quantities will be based on the configuration of your CMK. Please note that all CMK models only have 2 manifold mounting brackets. Before you begin installation, make sure you have all the necessary tools, including hardware. Also, be sure to review your local building codes and regulations regarding water heater installation. The first step is to position, level, and mount the template in the designated installation area. Line up the leftmost bracket on the template with a stud or other load-bearing supporting structure. The template can be placed at any height, considering final exhaust and intake locations. Placing the template as high as possible optimizes installation of manifolds and future serviceability. Identify how many units you are installing, then drill pilot holes through the template for the water heater mounting brackets and manifold mounting brackets. The left side is always your starting point. Note that only 2 manifold mounting brackets are needed for 2, 3, or 4-unit installations. Now it's time to prepare the tankless water heaters for installation. Remove the threaded portion of unions from the isolation valves and install the threaded portion of the union on each heater. Make sure to apply Teflon and/or thread sealant where necessary throughout this portion of installation. Now add the gas union to the unit using Teflon tape as needed. Install plastic hose bar I onto the condensate connector fitting. Next, install braided hose J to the hose barbed adapter I. Be sure to see page 8 and 9 of the installation manual to see full detailed instructions. Once the brackets are secured, you can begin installing your tankless water heaters. The CMK is designed to hold 2, 3, or 4 units depending on your hot water demand. Please note that the CMK is a modular system and can be expanded to fit a variety of installation scenarios. For more information, please consult with commercial@noritz.com. Carefully align the heaters with the mounting brackets. Ensure that each unit is securely fastened. Remember to leave enough space between each unit for proper ventilation and maintenance access. See page 7 of the installation manual for more details. Next, install the water, gas, and condensate manifolds. For the easiest installation, it is recommended to start by connecting the hot water manifold first, then condensate drain manifold, gas manifold next, and lastly, the cold water manifold assembly. See page 11 of the installation manual for more reference. Make final connections to water heaters by tightening isolation valves, unions, gas lines, and plastic hose lines for the condensate manifold. See page 9 of installation manual for more detailed instructions. Routine maintenance is essential to keep your system running efficiently. Check the system for any signs of wear, sediment buildup, or leaks. Refer to the manual for troubleshooting tips and recommended service intervals. And that's it. You've successfully installed your Noritz Commercial Manifold Kit. With this setup, you'll enjoy reliable, on-demand hot water while saving valuable space and energy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more installation guides and tips.